Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, fan, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel that secures it to the top cover. Remove the speakers from the alignment pins and retention tabs on the top cover. Replacement. Place the speakers under the retention tabs and onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel that secures it to the top cover.